Hi guys! To see how I got this makeup look using only IT Cosmetics products, keep watching! First, I want to say thank you to Sephora inside JCPenney for sponsoring this video today. And as always, you guys, whether I am doing a sponsored video or not, I am always giving you 100% my honest opinion. First, I'm going to apply this Confidence in a Cream to moisturize my skin. Oh, it smells nice and fresh, not too strong, and it's got a thick consistency. My skin is breaking out so bad. I'm actually just at the tail end of a really bad breakout. My whole chin, you can still see all these. Oh, that's a freckle. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 pimples. Not good. Oh, this feels so nice. Oh, hydrating. So I'll tell you a little bit about my skin. It is dry. I am 50 years old, so I definitely have aging skin. As you can see, I have dark under eye circles. Like when I look down like that, you can see how bad they are. And I also deal with hyperpigmentation. Like you can see some of this darkness on my cheeks right here. And of course, fine lines and wrinkles. This Confidence in a Cream is a transforming moisturizer, anti-aging armor, rejuvenating concentrate. Developed with plastic surgeons and dermatologists, clinically tested, cruelty-free. Well, I'm definitely loving the moisturizer. Next, I have Your Skin But Better CC Plus Cream. This is, I have to get my glasses. This is color correcting, full coverage cream, anti-aging, hydrating serum, SPF 50. Love that. I really like using products that I know are good for my skin, and all of IT Cosmetics products have skincare in them, so you're not just covering up your skin, you're actually treating your skin at the same time. These two colors are Neutral Medium and Neutral Tan. The Neutral Tan is the best color for me because my skin tone is very warm. It has a pump on the top so you can apply it. Now I really like, I'm just gonna do one full squirt of the product. I really like to use my fingers to apply my foundation. I feel like it goes on better, and I've just always done it this way, and no matter what foundation I use, this is how I do it. Wow, this has really nice coverage. Look at that, you can't even see my pimples under there. This has like a nice fresh smell to it also. Wow, my skin feels super hydrated. I don't know if you guys can see on camera, but my skin is glowing and I love that. I'm just using a Q-tip to get the foundation off of my eyebrows. And all of these products, all of IT Cosmetics products, are now available at Sephora inside JCPenney. And what I'll do is put a link below in the description box if you guys want to search where your nearest Sephora inside JCPenney is. I'm just taking the foundation off my lips and get a little chapstick on there. Wow, you can definitely tell that there is skincare products inside of this makeup. I mean, I feel like I just put on my serums and hydrated my skin, and it's giving really nice coverage with one pump. That is pretty impressive. Next, I'm going to use the Bye Bye Under Eye. And this I'm using in the color Medium Buff. This is full coverage, anti-aging, waterproof concealer. And this now comes in 48 shades. So I'm going to put just a dab on the back of my hand, and I'm going to use this brush. I'm sorry, I have to keep putting on and off my glasses, you guys. I literally cannot see what I'm doing. This brush is a dual airbrush concealer number 2, and it has 2 different sides to it. It has this flat brush on this side and a fluffier brush on this side. I'm going to just dab this on the back of my hand. And I'm going to use this as a concealer for my blemishes as well. Then you can use the other side just to tap and blend. Wow, this works really nice. This also feels super hydrating. It doesn't feel dry, so it's not going to give you that cracked feeling that you get with some concealers, and it's totally covering my blemishes. This is thick enough to cover like hyperpigmentation, blemishes, anything on your face. I think I just found my new favorite concealer. You could even use a lot more of this and cover bigger parts of your face if you have scars or really dark hyperpigmentation. And all right, let's try this on my neck. Actually, I have a scar here from a spine surgery where they go through the front, and I'm always trying to conceal it just a little bit. And I'm just going to dab on the very dark parts of my eyes, just whatever's left over on the brush. I don't like anything too thick under my eyes, so I'm just doing a tiny bit. I actually think if I had 1 or 2 shades lighter, that just this tiny bit would camouflage underneath my eyes a lot better. So I definitely want to try the lighter shade for under my eyes, just because I have pretty dark circles, but it's definitely looking much better even when I look down. This is the Bye Bye Pores a loose powder, and it has this little puff in there if you want to use this to apply it. Because my skin is super dry, I don't use powder unless I absolutely have to. So what I'm going to do is take this brush and just tap it in there with a tiny bit of powder. And I'm gonna put that on my hand to tap off even more. And I'm just going to use it to set over the blemishes. And right on the corners where I applied. Otherwise, I do not use powder at all on my face. This feels so silky on the skin. Again, it's got anti-aging properties and optical blurring technology to blur out anything. So it definitely mattifies and keeps the makeup in place. This is the Bye Bye Pores blush in Naturally Pretty. This is such a gorgeous color. And I have all of these brushes that they sent me. Their brushes are so high quality. They're heavy. Oh my gosh, like they're beautiful. This one is the Heavenly Luxe French Bouquet Blush number 4. This is the Wand Ball Powder number 8. And this one is Complexion Perfection number 7. I'm going to use the number 4 brush to apply the blush. And this is super pigmented, so I'm going to tap on the back of my hand. Start off light. I have to say, these products are really doing what they say they're going to do. This is Bye Bye Pores, and look how nice my skin looks. I have no idea why I have not tried these products sooner. I've used the blush before, but I haven't used the other products that I have used so far. And I'm going to use the blush on my eyelids to get some color. Now this Brow Power Universal Eyebrow Pencil I am very familiar with. I volunteered for 3 years at this program called Look Good, Feel Better, and we would teach women how to take care of their skin and apply their makeup while they're going through active cancer treatment. And this product was always in their bags, like their free gift bags that they would get. And IT Cosmetics donates one of these eyebrow pencils to that program for everyone that's purchased. I can tell you that every single woman that tried this and saw the transformation of their eyebrows, no matter what color their brows were, absolutely loved it. It stays put, it doesn't go anywhere, and it's got the spoolie on one side and the pencil on the other. It works for thin or thick or no brows. And the reason that it's universal is if you do very lightweight strokes, you can use this on a blonde. I don't even know if you can see that, but you can get a super light color out of it. Now, if you press hard, you can turn this into a very dark color, and my eyebrows are almost black, and this works with me. It's a taupey, kind of warmish brown color, but it will even work with my eyebrows that are pretty dark. I would say dark brown on the verge of black. This also has some really great ingredients in it. It's infused with biotin and antioxidants, and I'm not going to do them very dark today. So you can see I'm barely touching it, and it gives you the perfect hair-like strokes. I don't do my brows very dark when I'm doing a very natural makeup look, but I definitely like to fill them in, especially underneath where my hair just will not grow. This pencil stays put, and that's why I love that it was the one that the women with cancer that had no eyebrows would get in their bags, because they would be so excited that it would stay on. Some of the women would even come back again and bring their bags and tell me how much they love this product. And last, I'm going to use the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I have never tried this before. It says it's a game-changing mascara clinically shown to give your lashes super volume, super length, super elastic stretch in just one coat. All right, let's see. I'm sure this is also amazing for your lashes. Wow, okay. Definitely liking this. You totally only need one coat, but that is 2 coats, and my lashes look amazing. Look at that difference. I'm gonna take a little more of the blush and put it just under my eyes. Wow, I am super happy with every single product that I tried. Let me know down in the comments below what products from IT Cosmetics you've tried and what you love. I'm definitely going to be trying some more of their products very soon. Don't forget to check out the link that I leave in the description box to find your local Sephora inside JCPenney. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Bye!